What's up, everybody? All right, so I've been having this car for a while. Excuse the trunk. Yeah, we got some stuff laying around here, but it's not that bad. Yes, I still have my original SR Max. Y'all thought I got rid of them? Crazy. So my thing, what this video about, pretty much is these. All this time I've been having this car, I did not know these was dang on hooks right here. These are hooks to put your groceries and everything on, so they won't be swaying across the car, juice falling out everywhere. Yeah, I got a cargo neck, but it got stuff in there right now. But I did not know that. I might be a little late, but I had the car for over a year now. So, I mean, I be daggone. All the time I've been in the trunk, I never paid attention to that. I thought these were just like little scraps that hooked to the top. But I did not know they was actually hooks. I mean, that's all I wanted. Thank y'all for the 1,600 subscribers. I appreciate that. And we're going to keep it going. We're going to keep it going. And appreciate y'all for the support. Like I said, I did not know this had hooks in it. This is a 2020 Nissan Altima. That's hard. I didn't know it had hooks. So, man, hey, it is what it is. So, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all be easy. Take care. Look, I give y'all a good little look from the front. Look at that lip. That front lip. All of that. So yeah, even got the rear looking good. I did a pretty good job painting this, I must say. But it looks good. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all take care. Appreciate y'all for watching.